Dear students, please open your textbook before you start listening. Underline important lines and mark difficult words. Use earphone or headphone for full concentration. Happy listening and happy learning. Page number 84. The properties of Eka aluminium predicted by Mendeleev and those of the element. Gallium, which was discovered later and replaced Eka aluminium, are listed as follows. Please see table 5.5 on the screen. Table 5.5 Properties of Eka aluminium and gallium, and it is described in 3 columns. This provided convincing evidence for both the correctness and usefulness of Mendeleev's periodic table. Further, it was the extraordinary success of Mendeleev's prediction that led chemists not only to accept his periodic table but also recognize him as the originator of the concept on which it is based. Noble gases like helium He, neon Ne, and argon Ar have been mentioned in many a context before this. These gases were discovered very late because they are very inert and present in extremely low concentrations in our atmosphere. One of the strengths of Mendeleev's periodic table was that when these gases were discovered, they could be placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. 5.2.2 Limitations of Mendeleev's classification. Electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combined with halogens, oxygen and sulfur to form compounds having similar formulae as shown in the example here. On the other hand, just like halogens, hydrogen also exists as diatomic molecule and it combined with metals and nonmetals to form covalent compounds. Activity 5.1 Looking at its resemblance to alkali metal and the halogen family, try to assign hydrogen a correct position in Mendeleev's periodic table. To which group and period should hydrogen be assigned? Certainly, no fixed position can be given to hydrogen in the periodic table. This was the first limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. He could not assign a correct position to hydrogen in his table. Isotopes were discovered long after Mendeleev had proposed his periodic classification of element. Let us recall that isotopes of an element have similar chemical properties but different atomic masses. Page number 85. Activity 5.2. Consider the isotopes of chlorine Cl35 and chlorine 37. Would you place them in different slots because their atomic masses are different? Or would you place them in the same position because their chemical properties are the same? Thus, isotopes of all elements posed a challenge to Mendeleev's periodic table. Another problem was that the atomic masses do not increase in a regular manner in going from one element to the next. So it was not possible to predict how many elements could be discovered between two elements, especially when we consider the heavier elements. Questions 1. Use Mendeleev's periodic table to predict the formulae for the oxides of the following elements: K, C, Al, Si, Ba. Question number 2. Besides gallium, which other element have since been discovered that were left by Mendeleev in his periodic table? In bracket, Ne2. Question number 3. What were the criteria used by Mendeleev in creating his periodic table? Question number 4. Why do you think the noble gases are placed in a separate group? 5.3. Making order out of chaos. the modern periodic table. In 1930, Henry Moseley showed that the atomic number, symbolized as Z, of an element is a more fundamental property than its atomic mass. Accordingly, Mendel's periodic law was modified and atomic number was adopted as the basis of modern periodic table. And the modern periodic law can be stated as follows. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Let us recall that the atomic number gives us the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, and this number increases by 1 in going from one element to the next. Elements, when arranged in order of increasing atomic number, lead us to the classification known as the modern periodic table, table 5.6. Prediction of properties of element could be made with more precision when elements were arranged on the basis of increasing atomic number. Activity 5.3. 1. How were the position of cobalt and nickel resolved in the modern periodic table? 2. How were the position of isotopes of various elements decided in the modern periodic table? 3. Is it possible to have an element with atomic number 1.5 placed between hydrogen and helium? Where do you think should hydrogen be placed in the modern periodic table? Page number 86. In this page, table 5.6 gave clearly the modern periodic table in columnar form. In this, you can see the group number, metal, metalloids, non-metal, periods, lanthanoids, and actinoids. Please see on the screen and get the better idea of it. Page number 87. As we can see, the modern periodic table takes care of three limitations of Mendel's periodic table. The anomalous position of hydrogen can be discussed after we see what are the bases on which the position of an element in the modern periodic table depends. 5.3.1. Position of elements in the modern periodic table. The modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as periods. Let us see what decides the placing of an element in a certain group and period. Activity 5.4. Look at the group 1 of the modern periodic table and name the elements present in it. 2. Write down the electronic configuration of the first three elements of group 1. 3. What similarity do you find in their electronic configuration? 4. How many valence electrons are present in these three elements? You will find that all these elements contain the same number of valence electrons. Similarly, you will find that the elements present in any one group have the same number of valence electrons. For example, elements fluorine F and chlorine Cl belong to the group 17. How many electrons do fluorine and chlorine have in their outermost shell? Hence, we can say that groups in the periodic table signify an identical outer shell electronic configuration. On the other hand, the number of shells increases as we go down the group. There is an anomaly when it comes to the position of hydrogen because it can be placed either in group 1 or group 17 in the first period. Can you say why? Activity 5.5. If you look at the modern periodic table 5.6, you will find that the elements Li, Be, B, C, N, O, F and Ne are present in the second period. Write down their electronic configuration. Second, do these elements also contain the same number of valence electrons? Third, do they contain the same number of shells? You will find that these elements of second period do not have the same number of valence electrons, but they contain the same number of shells. You also observe that the number of valence shell electron increases by 1 unit as the atomic number increases by 1 unit on moving from left to right in a period. Or we can say that atoms of different element with the same number of occupied shells are placed in the same period. Na, Mg, Al, Si, P, S, Cl and Ar belong to the third period of the modern periodic table. Since the electrons in the atoms of these elements are filled in K, L and M shells. Write the electronic configuration of these elements and confirm the above statement. Each period marks a new electronic shell getting filled. Page number 88. How many elements are there in the first, second, third and fourth periods? We can explain the number of elements in these periods based on how electrons are filled into various shells. You will study the details of this in higher classes. Recall that the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a shell depends on the formula twice and 2, where n is the number of the given shell from the nucleus. For example, K shell dash 2 into in bracket 1 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2. Hence the first period has 2 elements. Next line, L shell dash 2 into 2 in bracket raised to the power 2 is equal to 8. Hence the second period has 8 elements. The third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh period have 8, 18, 18, 32 and 32 elements respectively. The reason for this you will study in higher classes. The position of an element in the periodic table tells us about its chemical reactivity. As you have learnt, the valence electrons determine the kind and number of bonds formed by an element. Can you now see why Mendeleev's choice of formula of compound as the basis for deciding the position of an element in his table was a good one? How would this lead to element with similar chemical properties being placed in the same group? 5.3.2 Trends in the modern periodic table. Valency. As you know, the valency of an element is determined by the number of valence electrons present in the outermost shell of its atom. Activity 5.6. 1. How do you calculate the valency of an element from its electronic configuration? 2. What is the valency of magnesium with atomic number 12 and sulfur with atomic number 16? 3. Similarly, find out the valencies of the first 20 elements. 4th, how does the valency vary in a period ongoing from left to right? 5th, how does the valency vary in going down a group? Atomic size. The atomic size refers to the radius of an atom. The atomic size may be visualized as the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell of an isolated atom. The atomic radius of hydrogen atom is 37 pm. Picometer. 1 pm is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 12 m. Let us study the variation of atomic size in a group and in a period. Activity 5.7. Atomic radii of the elements of the second period are given below. Periods: second element boron B beryllium Be, oxygen O, nitrogen N, lithium Li, carbon C. Atomic radius in bracket pm 88, 111, 66, 74, 152 and 77. Second line, arrange them in decreasing order of their atomic radii. Third, are the elements now arranged in the pattern of a period in the periodic table? 4. Which element have the largest and the smallest atoms? Fifth, how does the atomic radius change as you grow from left to right in a period? Thank you, students. Please listen twice for better understanding. Hope you liked the video and subscribe for upcoming videos.